Gonna clean the cartridge filters and the Jandy. So the first thing you're gonna do is turn the power off. Let the air out at the top. Now, just wait till that all goes away. The water's just gonna back right out. And then we're gonna take this off. I have a 14 millimeter. Yours might be different, maybe a different style Jandy, but this applies to all cartridge filters. Now, sometimes these are really bad. You can't turn this. So see how I have that one turned? If yours doesn't do that, you're going to have to try to clean it all off. CLR works, muriatic acid works, and then put some grease on this. So since we'll put grease on this one today, just helps it down the road. Just the thread so it doesn't get stuck. Next, use a big screwdriver or whatever you have. Take that off like that. Move the ring out of the way. Take the top off. Yeah, sometimes these crush in. You gotta clean this all off good. Take the filters all out. Now, you can drain this all out, vacuum it all out. Take this ring off, clean it, then we'll grease this all up. Inspect the ring at the top. So, if your screen is crushed in, this one's brand new, I put it in not too long ago. But if yours is broken, crushed in, get another one of these. Now I'll link down below the cleaner for this. It's amazing. You gotta get one of these. The bottom piece, clean it all up. This part goes up, and then you see a wider piece here. It's different. It goes in front of this on the bottom. Just like that. Now it's going to float up until you get the first one on. Now if your filters look like this, get new ones. It's just dark because of the well water, the minerals. These are pretty beat up. For that, like I said, inspect this ring. If it's cracked, you're going to have to replace this ring here, this low ring. We're just going to grease it up for now. So I'll link everything down below for this. I'm kind of generous all the time on grease, so grease that up. Since we got the grease already, we're going to grease this up. So take this all off. On this, you don't need too much, just a little bit on the thread. Now the big O-ring that goes around, make sure you clean everything all up good here. Scrub in there, put your finger in there after you scrub it, and make sure there's like no little rocks, little grits of sand. So clean this all up. Same as this, clean this all up. Now you can use that same grease and grease this up. O-rings on. You cleaned all this. It goes in like that. It goes in each one. You can shake it around. Bang it down tight. And this is to take the air out at the top. Like that. And you put the lid on. Put the big ring back on. And when you put this, these grooves go in like this, right on the bottom. Not on the side like this, but like that. So get a hammer, you're going to bang this, because this is going to be, we have to get this closer together. So you're going to tighten this up a bit, and then go around, bang that ring all the way around. Now most of these will touch or almost touch. So I just tighten until it's snug, and then I turn it on. If it leaks, I'll tweak it a little bit more. So we're going to close this for now. Turn it on. Let the air out. Now if you have electrical around, just put your hand in front of it so the water comes out. Good. So after it runs a bit, you might open that a bit and you might hear some more air. Look around, see if there's any leak. Anyway, that's how you clean it. Take it apart and clean it.